boats at the marina.
Yeah. I can steer mine.
And it stayed there. I thought when he said speed
I'm setting up the shot.
they were up there quick. Anyways, it killed the deer. Kind of wrapped around it.
It did, huh? I saw YouTube where the deer jumped over a rider, just missed. The guy goes like this. He saw something, but the car in front of him had the camera on. Push George out a little bit there, Gary. There you go. No, from the front.
This is chaotic.
Look out for the laser. So you're gonna get the laser.
I'm trying to get back into the wind.
Look at this lake. Here you guys are within 2 meters.
Look, he took off. Wow, he just left us.
You're the only one moving, George. Look at that.
Yeah, he just took off.
You're
Hey, can you push my bow out a little? I'm trying to get out there.
I'm going backwards.
I know.
Yeah, you gotta
I'm going
reverse.
backwards.
The other
I got to back away from Gary there.